2018 Tesla Model S. I've been getting the coolant low coolant level on for a day or so now. It's minus 5 degrees Celsius, so I figured things were a bit unhappy because of the cold weather. I guess this is what's also used to heat the battery as well, I'm not sure, but did a bit of googling with the error, and people have reported that you can get G48 coolant, ready mix coolant, antifreeze and coolant around. Most of the videos I saw were American, so I couldn't get the exact brand that is recommended in the US, but I've managed to get hold of this stuff from Amazon, but I think Euro Car Parts and a few other places sell it, and I think I'm onto the right thing because it says it's for electric vehicles as well. So yeah, unscrewing. So to get to this point, you just remove the Tesla cover. Underneath that, you've got the like a drain tray, so like a rain spray for any water that comes over here. Remove that. There's a couple of pipes here that drain it to the road, so you've got one on this corner, one on this corner. This car's got their big HEPA filter in it, so you've got both sides of the filter here and here. There's some duct work that goes off into the cabin here over there. Anyway, so there's 3 things to remove, and I've got those stacked up just here against the front of the vehicle for a minute. If you undo here, you can see that the coolant level is very low actually, and then compared to on the side there, there's a maximum, normal, a minimum, and my level's well below the seam, so definitely needs some stuff. I toyed with getting a 1 litre top up, but I figured that this one would stand me in good stead if it needed a bit more. I'm trying to do this one-handed, it's quite tight, as you can see. I'm just opening this, and now I guess top it up to the maximum. Wish me luck. It looks the same colour. There's like a blue colour in here, and the bottle looks the same colour, so there's no going back. See if I can do this and get it visible without getting it everywhere. Not easily without a funnel, but I haven't got one of those. Let's give this a shot. This is going to go everywhere. Wish me luck. I'm not really concentrating on the video at the minute, so I apologise. Trying to look at the levels. Side of the tank. Yeah, it's very low. Just up to the nominal line now, and then the max line is there by the looks of it. So that's quite a bit of this gone. Has it got a level? It was at 5 litres. I'm down to 3-ish now. Certainly much lighter. It's not really level, but there we go. And I'm just on the maximum mark now. You can see the difference now. The Tesla app's just telling me the bonnet's been left open. You can see it's much closer to the top. I've already seen this stuff before. Probably going to kill myself by touching it, but it just feels like water. It's not oily or anything. Cool. Let's put the lid on, and hopefully that fixes it. Just put the lid back on here. See if I can reassemble this thing in with showing you. So the first thing to do is this air ducting thingy, and that kind of goes in as it goes that way. There's an easy way to do this and a difficult way. I normally find the difficult way. So that goes on there, and then onto the lower one of this. Someone's previously put this on and caught this seam in it, but it just sort of rests in there. There's no clips or anything. I'm sure you've seen this done hundreds of times before. The next bit is the drainage cover thingy. just warming my hands up. And that basically sits like this. Other end first, that one. It clips in, this one, but I've got to get the pipes on first. So let's lift it out a bit. It's difficult to do one-handed. These are just water drain pipes, so nothing too exciting here. Difficult to do again one-handed, but one. Over to this side, there's a slightly smaller pipe here. Struggling one-handed, but that's all the way fully closed. I'm guessing someone at Tesla's broken the clip here. Great. This one's still there. So yeah, squeeze that in. No click on there, but it's squeezed in. And then there's just these little clips here to go in. So there's one. It's very difficult to do with freezing cold hands, but one, two over here. You can see all of the road salt and everything. And the last one's obviously just bounced onto the floor. There we go, one more there. And then somewhere here, there we go. Into the middle here. And the click. Excellent stuff. That's that done. You can see it's cold, that's my breath. Finally, the Tesla cover. I'm not really sure how this is supposed to fit in. I tend to just lay it on there and then bend it slightly. Let's get it in. Kind of falls into the right place. And then it's just a case of going around the top and pushing it in. It's got little catches that clip in once you get it aligned. If you don't do this, it rattles. Now along this edge, there's other clippers. And I think that's everything. Push the tags out. I think we're good. Right, hopefully that fixes us.